How to create a Microsoft account directly from your mobile phone. Let's get started. Whether you want to use Microsoft services like OneDrive, Office, or Outlook, creating a Microsoft account is your first step. The process is quick and easy. I'll guide you through each step. First, open your preferred web browser on your mobile phone. Type in signup.live.com. This will take you to the Microsoft sign up page. On the sign up page, you'll see an option that says create a new password or create an account. Now, tap on that to begin the process. You can create a Microsoft using an existing email address or phone number. If you want to use an email, enter your email address and tap next. Alternatively, you can tap use a number instead or get a new email address. Next, create a strong password for your account. Make sure it's something you can remember but difficult for others to guess. Now enter your first and last name, then tap next. After that, you need to enter your birth date and country region. To ensure you're not a robot, Microsoft will ask you to complete a quick verification. Follow the on screen instructions to verify your identity, then tap next. And that's all there is to it. Your Microsoft account has been created. You can now use it to sign in to various Microsoft services like OneDrive, Outlook, and Office. Thanks for watching.